Hi, and welcome to Curviga Explained. With Curviga, you can upload your own photos to public points of interest and share your impressions with the community. In this video, we show you how to do this and how you can add photos to your personal favorites. Points of interest, also known as POI, are places that might be interesting for your trip. Photos are often a decisive factor in determining whether a place is really worth visiting. You can quickly see which places are interesting for you and plan your trips more specifically. Photos also help you remember what to expect at your own favorite places. This makes route planning much easier. To upload a photo to a POI, simply select a public POI on the map and open the Photos tab in the detailed view of the location. Tap or click on Contribute Photo and select the desired photo from your file browser. In the preview, you can double-check which photo you have selected and under which username it will be published. If everything looks good, tap or click Contribute Photo to start the upload. It may take a few minutes for your photo to become publicly visible. After uploading, the photo appears in the Photos tab in an overview. There you can view all photos that have been uploaded for this POI. When you tap on a photo in the overview, it will be displayed enlarged. You can delete your own photos at any time. To do this, click on Delete in the three-dot menu in the top right corner. In the enlarged view, you can also see who contributed the photo and click through the photos here as well. If there is something wrong with another user's photo, you can also report it here in the three-dot menu. Uploading photos for your own favorites in the Curviga Cloud works in exactly the same way. Simply select the respective favorite, click on Add Photo in the Photos tab, select the desired photo, and enjoy the view. With the Curviga app, you can also take photos directly on site with your smartphone camera and upload them. To do this, tap the Contribute Photo button and then simply tap Take Photo. Confirm the upload and others will be able to better evaluate the POI. Photos allow you to keep track of your favorites, immediately recognize what makes each place special, and plan your trips more easily and effectively. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to check out our knowledge base. You'll find lots of helpful guides and tips there. Also, visit us on the Curviga forum or follow us on social media. You'll find all the links in the video description. We wish you lots of fun planning and riding your trips.